Hello and welcome to PSM Speak. The latest on higher pension, Employees Provident Fund, E.P.S pension. The process is on. The latest is the Government of India has given 3 more months up to December 31, 2023 to the employers to give the details to the Employees Provident Fund organization with regards to the employees' wages. As you know, the process was started on 26 February 2023 when the Provident Fund organization opened a portal for submission of applications validating the options for higher pension, but that date was subsequently postponed a couple of times, and finally 11th July 2023 was the last date, and the employers were given time up to 30 September today. As many as 5.52 lakh cases are pending with the employers, and they sought further time, and this further time is given. As of last date, when the employees were supposed to file their applications, that was on 11th July 2023, 17,49,000 were received by the Provident Fund organization. And how many of them are eligible? Various circulars, the Employees Provident Fund organization has given clarity based on the Supreme Court's judgment, based on its interpretation or whatever. A quick review of who is eligible. If you paid on your higher wages, if your wages are above the statutory ceiling of 5,000 and 6,500 rupees and retired before 2014, if you exercised your option, if that option was rejected, refused by the Provident Fund organization, if you can show the proof of this, then you are entitled for higher pension. Again, those who retired prior to 1st September 2014, after exercising the option which was rejected by the Provident Fund organization, are eligible. Second case, if you are retired 1st September 2014, before that date, all right, but if you did not exercise option, although you paid contribution on higher wages, you are not eligible. Another case, if you paid on higher wages before 2014 September 1st, then you continued as a member after 2014 September 1st, when the revised scheme came into force, 15,000 rupees ceiling against 6,500 earlier. If you exercised option under para 11.3, that is before 1st September 2014, but did not exercise after 2014 1st September, you are not eligible. I repeat, you paid on higher wages, all right, both the times. You exercised your option before 2014 but did not exercise after 2014, then you are not eligible. Similarly, if you did not exercise your option before 2014 1st September and were paying on higher wages, yourself and your employer together did not exercise any option, and subsequent to 2014 also you have been paying on your higher wages, then you are eligible, which means you did not exercise your option under 11.3 and also under para 11.4, which means before 2014 1st September and after 2014, if you did not exercise your option, you are eligible as per the Supreme Court's judgment, and for which the Provident Fund organization has given time, and all those who were supposed to be eligible, I hope have already exercised their option. But these many restrictions limits the number of people eligible for the higher pension. make many people who paid on their higher wages ineligible to receive the benefit. Aggrieved by this, the representatives of the retirees went to the Supreme Court seeking clarification of the Supreme Court's judgment 4 November 2022 that so many restrictions are placed by the Provident Fund organization, and what they have interpreted is not correct, and sought clarification. Then the two judges bench before which the petition went said in its order on 16th December 2022, since the case being decided by 3 judges bench and the clarification also should be given or this case be disposed of by a bench of equal strength, and finally that reached before the 3 judges bench, and 3 judges bench of the Supreme Court gave its judgment on this. On 7th August 2023, the Honorable Court concluded that the prayer for clarification of the judgment of 4th November 2022 cannot be considered. So the application seeking clarification stands dismissed. But the aggrieved did not give up their struggle, as we can see from the newspaper reportage that they are seeking to again knock at the doors of the Supreme Court, not on the judgment but on the circulars issued by the Provident Fund or whatever the remedies that are legally available to them to go to the Supreme Court. So this is the latest about the higher pension. Thank you very much for so patiently watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. As you know, the subscription to this channel is free. Thank you.